Number 13. The amount of rainfall in Tennessee over several years was recorded in the scatter plot below. Which of the following best predicts the amount of rain that would be expected in the year 2011? So, when we predict this, we're going to use our patty paper that has a line going through it. And we have to predict and kind of line it up to where we have the same amount of dots on top and on bottom. If we do about right here, we have one going through right here, right in the middle, one that's a little bit more on the bottom. So that's 1, 2, 3, maybe like that. Alright, so it's kind of hard to make it, but we want to make it to where there's the same number on top and on bottom. The line goes through these two basically, and then we have 1, 2, 3 on top and 1, 2, 3 on bottom. We see that at 2019 it hits 20. If we continue it out, it's going to have to be less than 20. We continue it out about 1 and 2. So our line is somewhere between 10 and 20. The only answer choice that has our prediction would be between 10 and 15. So B is our answer choice. We know it's not 20 to 25 because our line is already at 20 and it's going down. It has a negative correlation. So that one's wrong. We also know that it's not going down at a fast enough rate to get to 0 or 5. And we can obviously see that there is a correlation between all the points. So D is wrong.